Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fitri Dian Pertiwi. I want to explain Unit 5, the title of Who and Where. It is a comment in listening part A to ask you to draw some kind of conclusion. In this type of question, the answer is not clearly stated. Instead, you must draw a conclusion based on clues given in the conversation. What kind of conclusion that is a common in this part of the test is to ask you to determine who the speaker is based on the clues given in the conversation. For the example, on the recording you hear, "Man, what do you do during your performance?" "Woman, I play the piano and sing." So the question is, who is the woman most likely to be? And choose A, an athlete, B, a member of the audience, C, a clerk in the music store, and D, a musician. The clue performance, piano, and sing in the conversation tell you that the woman is probably a musician. So guys, I want to explain and answer the question and listening in the exercise 5. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question on the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. You will have to draw conclusion about who and where. Number 1. Man, do you want to go in the water? Woman, no thanks, I prefer to lie here on the sand. The question is, where does this conversation probably take place? And my answer is at the beach, because the clues is water and sand. And this conversation tell you that probably take place at the beach. Number 2. Woman, what is assignment for tomorrow class? Man, you should read and answer the question at the end of the chapters. The question is, who is the man most likely to be? My answer is B, a teacher. Because the clues is assignment and class. And this conversation tell you that a man of the probably a teacher. Number 3. Man, can you tell me how long I can keep these books? Woman, you can check them out for 2 weeks. Question is, here does this conversation probably take place? My answer is A, in a library. Because the clues is the books. And the conversation tell you that probably take place in a library. Number 4. Woman, are there many problems with my teeth? I try to brush regularly. Man, I see one that need to be filled. Question is, who is the man most likely to be? My answer is C, a dentist, because the clues is teeth and brush. So, in this conversation tell you that the man is probably a dentist. Number 5. Woman, the seatbelt flight is flashing. Man, I think we're going to land soon. The question is, where does this conversation probably take place? My answer is A, in the plane, because the clues is about and land. So, in the conversation tell you that probably take place in a plane. Number 6. Man, the wedding is actually tomorrow. Woman, I can't believe that tomorrow our wedding day. Question is, who is the woman most likely to be? My answer is D, a bride, because the clues is a wedding. So, And does a conversation tell you that the woman is probably a bride? Number 7. Men, should we fill up tank? Woman, yes, and put some air in the tires. Question is, where does the conversation probably take place? My answer is B, at the gas stations, because the clues is a thing and air. So, and does a conversation tell you that probably take place in the gas station? Number 8. Woman, are you going to the gym to work out in this morning? Man, yes, to the gym in the morning and the team practice in the afternoon. The question is, who is the man most likely to be? My answer is D, an athlete, because the clues is a gym and workout. So, in the conversation, tell you that probably man is an athlete. Number 9. Woman, can I help you? Man, yes, I'd like to pick up some shirt I leave to be cleaned. Question is, where does this conversation probably take place? My answer is C, in a laundry, because the clues is a shirt and cleaned. So, in the conversation tell you that probably take place in a laundry. Number 10. Man, I'm not sure which day I want to leave on this trip. Woman, when you decide on the date of the trip, come back to the office and you make a reservation and purchase the ticket. The question is, who is the woman most likely to be? My answer is B, a travel agent, because the clues is a trip and ticket. So, and does a conversation tell you that a woman is probably a travel agent?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Rachel Putra Amelia. I want to discuss Unit 6 in listening to the title agreement. What does the agreement mean here? Agree. The point here is that person B agrees with what person A says. So pay close attention. If this word appears, so do I'll say, me too to the second person saying, you can say that again. That's all the meaning is the same. It's mean I agree with you. So also it means no I will say. Not that but I will say the same things. Agree with you. You can say that again. Not that you please repeat again. Not that. It's mean I agree with you. If this expression of agreement appears in the conversation, it means that sharing the same opinion. Choose the answer that contains this word share opinion, also, agree, agreement, to, the same or similar opinion. Okay, let's discuss the answer one by one. So we focus on the second person speaking. When he says, for example, me too, so do I'll say, or you can say that again. What the first person say? Well, the answer choice usually contains the word share opinion in the form of the same opinion. Or it could be agree, or similar, or to, or also, all kinds of things. It's very easy. Number 1 is the second person says, me too, which means the answer is D. She shares the man's opinion. Number 2 means the keyword is also, meaning the answer is C. She was also surprised. Number 3 means he agrees because there is a word of agreement. The answer is B. He agrees with the woman. Number 4 answer D. He shares the woman's opinion. Number 5 means also the keyword. So the answer is D. She's also happy that the classes are finished. Number 6 means similar. So choose the answer which means the same or also. The answer is A. His ideas about sport are similar to the woman's. Number 7 means he agrees. The answer is B. She agrees with the man. Number 8 has the keyword the same, meaning the answer is D. He has the same opinion as the woman. Number 9 has the keyword too, meaning the answer is C. She thinks they should go out too. The last one, number 10, has the keyword agreement. The answer is A. He is in agreement about the teacher.
Thank you for your listening. May I also we have share be beneficial for all us.